Hello friends, how are you? I think you are fit and fine in your life. Today I am here to explain about auto insurance. So don't wasting the time, start the video. Yes, one thing that who are new in my channel, please like the video, share and subscribe my channel Incredible Way India. Press bell icon also. Auto insurance. When you buy or lease a car, it's important to protect that investment. Getting auto insurance can offer re-insure in case you are involved in an accident or the vehicle is stolen, vandalized or damaged by the natural disaster. Instead of paying out of pocket for auto accident, people pay annual premium to an auto insurance company. The company then pay all of most of the cost associated with an auto accident or other vehicle damage. What is car insurance? Car insurance is a contract between yourself and insurance company in which you agree to pay premium in exchange for protection against financial losses stemming from the accident or other damage to the vehicle. Auto insurance can offer coverage for vehicle damage, including your car or another driver vehicle, property damage or bodily injuries caused by accident, medical bills or financial expenses associated with injuries. The exact detail of what covered depend on the minimum coverage requirement for your state and any additional coverage option you choose to include. Every state expects New Hampshire requires drivers to have minimum amount of bodily injury liability coverage, property damage liability coverage. There are two primary costs associated with purchasing car insurance: premium and deductible. Auto insurance premium vary depending on age, gender, year of driving experience, accident and moving voltage history, and other factors. Again, most states mandatory a minimum amount of auto insurance. That minimum varies by state, but many people purchase additional insurance to protect themselves further. Additionally, if you are financing a car, the lender may stipulate that you carry certain type of car insurance. For instance, you may need to gap insurance if you are purchasing an expensive vehicle that will likely depending very quickly once you drive it off the lot. Gap insurance can help to pay off the difference between the vehicle value and you still own on it if you are involved in an accident. A poor driving record or the desire of complete coverage will lead to higher premium. However, you can reduce your premium by agreeing to take or more risk, which meaning increasing your deductible. Your deductible is the amount you have to pay when filing a claim before the insurance company will pay out anything to you for damage. So the example, your policy may have $500 to $1,000 deductible. Agreeing to a higher deductible can result in a lower premium, but you have to be reasonably sure you could cover the higher amount if you need to file a claim. How auto insurance works? In exchange for paying a premium, the insurance company agrees to pay your losses as outlined in your policy. Policies are priced individually to let you customize coverage amount to suit your extent needed and budget. Policy terms are usually 6 or 12-month time frame and is renewable, as insurer will notify a customer when it's time to renew the policy and pay another premium, regardless of whether they mandated having a minimum amount of auto insurance. Nearly every state requires car owner to carry bodily injured liability, which cover costs associated with injuries or death that you or another driver causes while driving your car. They may also require property damage liability, which reimburses other for damage that you and other driver operating your car casually to another vehicle or other property. A number of states go a step further. Mandatory car owner carries medical payment or personal injury protection, which reimburse medical expenses for injury sustained by you and your passenger. It will also cover lost wage and other related expenses. Uninsured motorist coverage. Remember you when an accident is caused by a driver who does not have auto insurance. Uninsured motorized coverage is designed to protect you when you are involved in an accident with a driver who has some insurance but not enough to cover full cost of claim. Vehicle insurance, car insurance or auto insurance in the United States and elsewhere is designed to cover the risk of financial liability or the loss of the motor vehicle that the owner may face if their vehicle is involved in collision that result in a property or physical damage. Most states require a motor vehicle owner to carry some minimum level of liability insurance. States that do not require the vehicle owner to carry car insurance, including Virginia, and the uninsured motor vehicle fees may be paid to the other states. New Hampshire, Mississippi, whenever offer vehicle owner the option to post cash bond. The privilege and immunity clause of Article 4 of U.S. Constitution protect the rights of citizens in each respective state when traveling to another. A motor vehicle owner typically pays insurer a monthly fee, often called as insurance premium. The insurance premium a motor vehicle owner pays is usually determined by a variety of factors, including the type of covered vehicle, credit score, and the driver rent or own a home, the age and gender of any covered driver, their driving history, and the location where the vehicle is primarily driven and stored. Most insurance companies will decrease the insurance premium rate based on these factors and less frequently offer discount. Insurance company provide a motor vehicle owner with an insurance card for a particular coverage term, which is be kept in a vehicle in the event of traffic collision as a proof of insurance. Recently, states have started passing laws that allow electronic version of proof of insurance to be accepted by the authority. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel Incredible India, and press bell icon. Thank you.